Vibration-free convex safety lens for an added safety feature. Easy-to-use adjustable Velcro strap. Can be used with left or right hand, won't interfere with hand movement. Low cost and high quality. Best mirror in its class. CIPA's hand mirror can be used on ATVs, dirt bikes, snowmobiles, bicycles, or just about anything. The hand mirror comes with an adjustable Velcro strap for quick and easy installation, and does not interfere with hand movement. Attaches to your hand and easily slips on and off. Velcro strap wraps around palm for quick and convenient use. Compact size stores conveniently whenever use is not desired. It may be the most convenient mirror you've ever owned. The hand mirror features a tough impact-resistant convex acrylic lens that measures 3.5 by 2.25 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Snowmobilers must. Using this mirror is so much better than taking your eyes off the trail to see if your tailing snowmobiler is still there. Wish I had bought this years ago.